welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this kids kitchen set, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So it is by this brand right here, and this is the instructions to put it together. It took my husband around 4 hours to put this together, but let's go ahead, check it out, and see everything that it does. So this is what it looks like. It has a little cutting board on the side, as you can see right here. On this side, it has a phone, and that's just like a little dish towel thing. Act like you're calling someone. That's what the sink looks like, and this is underneath the sink. So you can act like you're getting water. Over here, it has the oven. That's what it looks like. So you can act like you're cooking food and stuff. It has shelves, so if you want to put the food on there. It has like real metal ladles and stuff. You have your light and your fan. As you can see. So it has the little stove, as you can see right there, and you can just act like you're cooking something up. And then it also has a microwave. You can act like you're pressing buttons. So very nice. But let's go ahead and see what my kids think about it.
Yes, hello.
That's not how you talk on a phone.
What do we need to cook?
Cook some beef con natas and patatas.
Oh yeah. You make the meat, I'll make the potatoes, okay? In the fryer. That one we don't need. Potatoes. Who's making the meat? I'm making the potatoes. Here's the meat. Yeah. Brandon, pour it in the sink. Like that. Now, let's scoop it out.
Let me see our order.
And then put it on there.
What do you like? Bacon nachos and nachos.
And then you grab it and then put it in here.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.